All rise. Judge Vanda B. Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1033, Shepherd case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Shepherd, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, Your Honor. When last we met, had my 3 children with my wife.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yes, ma'am. The 12-year-old is now 13 and has come to live with me. So
Okay.
I'd like to see if there's any possibility of getting my child support reduced since she's with me now.
Script 1. Before this courtroom story unfolds, take a second and lock yourself in with this channel. Hit subscribe so you don't miss real courtroom moments. Explained like a documentary. Drop a like if you enjoy clear, no-nonsense breakdowns. And share this video with anyone who loves legal drama and real-life decisions. Every case you see here is more than arguments. It's about families, money, and consequences. Your support helps bring more intense courtroom stories, sharper analysis, and powerful narratives straight to you. Now that you're part of the journey, let's step inside the courtroom and break down this case, point by point, exactly how it happened.
Okay, the cheerleader, right?
Yes.
Okay, I have a good memory sometimes.
You're
Where
better
is
off
your
than I.
ex-wife?
Where?
Yeah, she's not here.
I wish I could tell you. I wish I could tell you. I thought she was going to be here.
I mean,
Talked to her on the
thought she
phone
would've been
2 or
with-
3 days ago, and I thought she was good to go.
Well, I thought she was good to go too because it looks like she was given notice to be here.
Yes, ma'am.
Court is still in session as Mr. Shepherd stands before Judge Vanda B., asking for relief. The last time they met, he was supporting 3 children. Now, one major change shifts the balance. His 13-year-old daughter has moved in with him full-time. That single fact changes everything. Child support isn't just about income. It's about custody and responsibility. Mr. Shepherd isn't denying his duty. He's asking the court to recognize reality. When a child changes homes, the financial equation must change too. This moment sets the tone for the entire case. Responsibility versus fairness. Numbers versus real life.
And she came the last time.
Yes, Your Honor. She sure did.
Okay. So there isn't a dispute between you two of whether or not the child has been living with you, or how long has the child been living with you?
About, let's see, December, January, 4 months.
Okay.
Yeah, we made it the middle of the school year.
Okay. And is that something you guys agreed to do, or is that, did something happen and the child started living with you?
The judge's memory kicks in fast. She remembers the family, the children, even details from past hearings. One key absence stands out: the ex-wife isn't in court. She was notified. She knew the date. Yet, she's missing. That absence speaks loudly. In family court, showing up matters. The judge questions whether there's even a dispute left. If the mother agreed to the child living with the father, opposition disappears. Silence becomes consent. This is where cases quietly turn, not with shouting, but with who shows up and who doesn't. The courtroom moves forward, whether everyone is ready or not.
Roughly, we agreed to it over a little bit of time.
Okay. Well, I'm guessing that's why she didn't come, because she didn't have any opposition to it, but that's neither here nor there.
I thought she'd have something to say.
Well,
But
yeah, because she had a lot to say the last time we were here.
yes, ma'am. Surprise, surprise.
Okay. Well, this is what we can do. She's not here, so we can move forward with your case.
Okay.
From what I remember, okay, your health insurance documents, you pay $503.
503, yes, ma'am.
For the health insurance,
Yes,
okay.
Your Honor.
And I remember what we did was, instead of making you pay child support back.
The timeline becomes critical. December, January, months have passed. This wasn't temporary. The child moved during the school year, suggesting stability, not a visit. The judge probes deeper. Was this agreed upon or forced by circumstances? Mr. Shepard explains it was a gradual decision, mutually understood. That explanation matters. Courts protect children first, and consistency is key. The judge even notes the irony. The ex-wife had plenty to say last time, yet today she's silent. That contrast weakens any future argument. In family court, cooperation strengthens your case, but absence can quietly dismantle it without a single objection spoken aloud.
Based on what your income was, we set it at the amount of the price of tuition for all 3 kids.
Tuition, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you still have the obligation of the other 2 children, obviously.
Yes, Your Honor.
But we're going to give you credit for one of the children living with you. So slightly coming off that $2,400 amount, your child support will go down to $1,098.
I'm sorry.
$1,098.
$1,098?
$1,098, yes.
Now the math comes in. Health insurance, tuition, prior deviations. Judge Vonda recalls everything instead of standard calculations. They previously set support equal to tuition costs, already a reduced figure. But with one child living full-time with the father, credit must be applied. The obligation doesn't disappear to children still remain with the mother. The numbers shift carefully. From $2,400 monthly, the new figure drops significantly. This isn't generosity, it's recalibration. The court balances fairness with duty, ensuring support reflects real custody, not outdated assumptions. This is how child support truly works, adjusted, not emotional.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Sounds great.
Okay. So, do you have any other questions?
I don't think I better.
Okay. Yeah, because last time we deviated and it was a lot lower than what it should have been.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. If there's nothing further, you're dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
The final number is clear, $1,098 per month. Mr. Shepard agrees. No arguments, no confusion. The judge confirms there are no further questions. The case closes smoothly, a rare thing in family court. Another reminder that preparation, honesty, and showing up matter. As the courtroom clears, this case leaves a lesson: child support follows responsibility, not resentment. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure you're subscribed for more courtroom documentaries like this. Thanks for watching, and stay sharp. For brand sponsorships or business inquiries, you can contact at arhabshahid8@gmail.com. See you in the next case.